Video instructions for stone grip. The following instructional video will describe how to complete a full application of stone grip after performing your initial test. Stone grip can be used to increase traction on most types of porcelain, ceramic, terrazzo, slate, brick, concrete, and virtually any other tile found in your home or business. Slippery tiles. We have a fix with stone grip. First, be sure to view the companion video on how to perform a test before full application. First, gather all the materials needed to complete a full application. 2 buckets, a mop or stone grip applicator, non-vinyl gloves, safety goggles, towels, and a timer. Rope off the area to ensure others do not walk through during your application. Protect any neighboring metal or glass surfaces. Locate any drains and water sources. Put on your safety goggles and gloves. Over towels, gently pour stone grip into your bucket, never straight onto the floor. Prepare the neutralizer by pouring clean water into the second bucket. You can add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to 1 gallon of water for faster neutralization. Now, dip your mop or applicator into the stone grip bucket and start mopping the area. Only cover an area large enough to treat within the treatment time determined during the testing process. Do not let the solution dry on the surface. After stone grip has been exposed to the floor for the time determined in your initial test, it's time to rinse off the solution with a prepared neutralizer. Bubbles and suds are typical during the rinsing process. Rinse the floor 2 to 3 times with clean water before opening the area to use. Check traction periodically throughout the process to ensure tiles are treated. You can always retreat if necessary. For easy maintenance and high levels of traction, we recommend ongoing cleaning using Maintain Grip. Enjoy your new anti-slip surface by SlipDoctors. Scan the QR code to download the technical datasheet. Don't slip, get a grip.